We'll guide you through how to use DaVinci Resolve keyboard shortcuts to enhance your editing workflow. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Once you've got your project loaded, you need to familiarize yourself with some essential keyboard shortcuts that can drastically speed up your editing process. For instance, pressing B will activate the blade tool, allowing you to cut clips in the timeline effortlessly. If you want to switch back to the selection tool, just press A. This lets you move clips around without needing to reach for your mouse. When you need to navigate through your timeline, use the arrow keys. The left and right arrows let you move frame by frame, while the up and down arrows jump between edit points. To zoom in and out of your timeline quickly, hold Alt and scroll with your mouse wheel. This is incredibly handy for making precise edits or getting a broader view of your project. If you're working with multiple clips and want to link or unlink them, select the clips and press Ctrl plus L or CMD plus L on a Mac. This will toggle the link status of your clips. For color grading, you can swiftly open the color page by pressing Shift plus 6. Once there, use Ctrl plus D to disable all color grades temporarily, giving you a before and after comparison. These are just a few shortcuts, but mastering them can save you a lot of time and effort while editing. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.